Hirap itanong nito. Nakakadami na tayo ng chok. Very naman, hindi naman siya ganun kaseryoso.
Oh my gosh.
Aggressive kasi. Girlfriend mo, baka may mga sagot na weird. So,
Nakachamba ulit.
Nakachamba. Medyo napapractice lang yung kamay ko. Hello, magandang hapon. This is Ken from TheRack.co and we are at day 3 at the SM North EDSA Sky Dome. And we are going to be interviewing a few friends that are lining up right now to go to the SBDPH Nationals 2025. Tara!
I am Margo.
My name is Julius Miguel. Ralph.
My name is Gracie Lacson from Imus, Cavite.
Rap
Luisito Manuel.
is a very famous personality here in the competition.
Nakachamba ulit.
Nakachamba.
Nagbubuhat po ako. I am a powerlifter.
Shane Kwe
From
Gemzilla.
I think is your most memorable experience here.
The LCD, LED ba yun o LCD yan, no? Lalo pag lumabas yung record, no? Yun, nakaka-inspire.
Nakaka-inspire. Lalo na yung ang kakapal ng plato. Alam ko hindi na tayo aabot pero okay pa rin.
Oo nga, tama na sa akin, 2 red plates, pwede na yun.
I've been competing since 2019 and this has by far been the best production. And as you can see, the setup is just great.
Wild, right?
It's wild, man. It's wild.
BD training could be quite boring but also very tedious, right?
Yeah. It really requires a lot of discipline. So like, you put like 3 hours 5 times a week or even more. But if you don't really love this sport, you can't do it for that long. Yeah.
When do you think is the best time to do powerlifting? Like, how do you usually find it when you're frustrated? Ano yung mga situations na is best when you do powerlifting?
Honestly, to answer the first question, you should start powerlifting as early as possible kasi it's a sport about longevity talaga. So, the earlier you start, the more potential you have in the future.
Course to the athletes of powerlifting. Marami tayong mga members na nagpa-powerlifting dito sa gym natin from Imus.
Ma'am, para lang short, saan po yung gym natin sa Imus?
Sa Imus, Cavite, may town proper ng Imus, Cavite.
Ano po pangalan ng gym?
So, it's Maximum Fitness Hub. So, located in Imus, Cavite.
Yeah, so hanapin niyo yung Maximum Fitness Club sa Cavite.
Please visit us and follow us in Instagram, on social media, Facebook, Maximum Fitness Hub.
Sir Luisito, I want to ask, what is powerlifting for you?
Well, now it's my way of life kasi malaking binago dito sa akin eh. Sikli ako dati eh. Kaya late ako nag-powerlifting. 52 na ata ako nag-powerlifting. So, 4th competition ko to. Nag-stop lang kami nung pandemic.
Yeah.
So, tuloy-tuloy lang para makahabol sa apo. So, yun lang ang motivation, mahabol si Wak. Si Joaquin.
Powerlifting is my passion. I've been doing this for like so long, and despite all the struggles and you just have to push through. It really taught me so much that sometimes like it is not really a linear path. You just have to trust the process and go on, and I just apply what I learned here in my daily life as well.
Yeah, rap 6 years is no joke, right?
Yeah, no joke.
Powerlifting is something you can unlock your full potential, like how strong you are, and it's like a therapy for me. And
Bakit siya therapy?
mental problems, pwede mo siyang ilabas through powerlifting. And through powerlifting, if you like do PRs, you will feel good about yourself. Like, I can do this pala, I can achieve this.
Pero yung powerlifting sa akin became a hobby to me. Ginagawa ko rin siyang outlet sa academics and sa life ko.
It started out as like an outlet para lang for better body because I was like insecure. Pero as I got into the sport, medyo I got into the community, tas it was more of an outlet na to let my frustrations out.
Well, for me, I really enjoy powerlifting because these kids, it's more on not only power, so it gives them the opportunity to release themselves, and then parang iba siya, parang ganun. It's yung friendship nila as in yung support ng each of the team is really, malaking bagay, nakakatuwa. So, sana, sobrang spoiled naman sila sa akin kapag ganyan. So, talagang sa support.
Ang solid siya na sport, as you can see, na parang hype yung mga tao, lahat-lahat. So, parang, and yung community niya, solid.
So, ever since we started, parang I started seeing Gymzilla, iba na rin yung nilaki ng powerlifting na.
Nung pag-open ko ng Gymzilla, like, hindi ko rin expect na parang yung mga customers ko, parang maging powerlifters. Kasi like parang yung first pag-open namin, parang naisip ko is for everyone. Pero kasi naglagay ako ng isang combo rack, nag-start lang kami sa Iron Quest na combo rack, and then nagkaroon na ng Hansu, tapos ngayon nagka-Eleiko na kami kasi yun nga, dumami yung powerlifters, and syempre para makatulong sa kanila, kaya ako kumuha ng mga IPF-approved na racks, parang ganun.
Yeah, we're not selfish about it. I mean, different brands, we just make the sport bigger, and that's fine.
Stations really helps you kasi channel out more strength. I mean, para sa akin, pero yun yung point ko is it helps you channel out more power para sa lifts mo.
Yeah, I think that's what's different about it right now, right? Parang I think people lift now not only just for the body but also for mental stability, right? So that's an awesome, honest answer. I love it. Sa good looks lang usually yung ginagawang buhat, pero surprised ako that most of the answers for powerlifting right now is really more for mental well-being and self-confidence. So I think your answer is pretty much right there.
Yes.
Just a few quick questions, just some silly questions. Is buhat o jowa?
Kapag nanonood yung jowa ko, pwede ko pagsabay pero unahin ko yung buhat.
Squat, bench, or deadlift?
Squat.
Squat.
Before deadlift, yung type ko, pero ngayon medyo equal na sila ni squat. Yung bench ko talaga sobrang hina, so parang ayoko na sabihin.
Deadlift.
Deadlift.
Kasi
Why deadlift?
safe eh. Kapag hindi kaya, bitaw lang. Yung dalawa, disgrasya eh.
Squat.
Deadlift. Yeah.
So I guess here comes the stupid questions. Okay. Diyan ka magaling.
Diyan ako magaling. Oh.
Okay, so first question natin, sir. Abs o puwet?
Siyempre, glutes.
Okay. Ibig sabihin puwet. Ayusin mo yung sagot mo.
Abs or puwet? Wala kasi akong abs eh. Pero mahilig ako sa puwet. So, puwet na lang siguro.
Okay, puwet na lang daw.
As. Puwet.
Alright.
Puwet.
Abs o puwet?
Puwet.
Like para sa akin,
Bahala ka.
I think kasi mataba akong tao and strong man naman, so parang puwet na lang siguro.
Chicken breast o whey protein?
Oh my gosh. I'm so tired of eating chicken breast, pero it's not that healthy kasi to take whey all the time, diba? So, yeah, pinagtitiisan ko na lang din yung breast.
Chicken breast kasi natural.
Wait.
Why whey protein?
Chicken wings kasi ang gusto ko eh. Hindi breast eh. Wings ako eh. Wings person.
Chicken breast. Pwede bang both na lang yon?
Yun pala, plant-based ako, so
Pea pod protein?
more soy protein siguro. Mas complete yung amino acids. No? So,
Oh, matagal ka na bang plant-based?
magsi 6 years na, since 2019 I think.
Okay, so how do you grow to become like this and and be in plant protein?
Kasi malakas ako kumain naturally, so and yun, kailangan kasi sinasabi nilang yung mga plant-based protein hindi daw complete yung amino acids, so bawi sa EAAs and amino acids, tapos syempre bawi talaga sa protein powders para makahabol.
Is chicken breast or whey protein?
Chicken breast pa rin syempre sa akin. Whole foods pa rin yung gusto ko. Hindi rin ako nag-whey protein. Palaging chicken breast.
So alam natin ang mga powerlifters, alam nila na importante ang whole food.
Chicken breast all the way.
Chicken breast. Why chicken breast? Everyone answers chicken breast. Why chicken breast?
It's chicken breast. How can you eat it, man?
So most of them really know what they're eating. I think most powerlifters are really saying chicken breast because whole food siya. Sa knurling, magaspang o mahapde?
2 hours later.
In the middle.
In the middle.
Hook gripper ako eh. So like, wala na ako nararamdaman dito. It's absolutely numb.
Magaspang.
Bakit magaspang?
Yung magaspang, pwede mong bitawan pa eh. Wala pa yun eh. Yung mahapde, pasok na yun eh. Parang gano'n,
Sa knurling. Knurling to Knurling. Aggressive kasi, so... Sa knurling to ha? Sa magaspang na lang kasi pwede naman natin strapan. Mas okay. Pero mas maganda ang knurling pag sa Eleiko tayo gagamit.
Yun. Okay, raise the bar, Eleiko.
Pwede ba sa magaspang na lang?
Magaspang. Para makapit.
Magaspang siguro.
Bakit magaspang?
para mas makapit.
Okay, maraming salamat, Shane. Thank you for the time.